Okay, so what I've done is put a mohawk in her head. Basically what I did was split them into 4. And I started with the part from ear to ear first. And I did the ear to ear first. Here. And then I went from here up. And then split that into 3 here. And then did the same to the back. Basically have 5 rollers on each one. And I just let them sit overnight. I didn't put them under the dryer or anything like that. I just set them, put them in, and then, so I'll show you how one of them look. That's how one of them look. I'll show you a few more. It's really easy to do. Cute for a baby girl like her and yours. So still feel damp a little bit. Oh. That's how it looks on one ponytail. And split. And then I'll divide that, each one of those, into some little strings. I'm using one hand. I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and use the other. That's why it's going so slow. But that's the second. Mama. And get that to focus better. There you go. That's how it looks. That's how the curve came out. It might have took me about probably 30 minutes to do. Maybe not that long. Basically letting it dry overnight. So instead of sitting in the dryer, that's why it didn't take that long. Basically, I use some leave-in softener. Put that on there, a little water, and this is what the girls look like. That's what it's looking like so far. And I'll be back to show you the finished results for it. So this is the finished results to it. Okay. And it's something easy for a little girl, right? Real beautiful, nice and cute. She won't be seen. She about to get some rollers in her head. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed. Subscribe and rate, comment, ask any questions you need to. And if you want me to do a detailed video of it, then I can. Have a blessed day.